If you want to create a recurring income from home in either network marketing or affiliate marketing, there are a few systems that you have to have in place if you want to create the leverage in your marketing that's going to help you create that recurring income. And one of those 4 systems is your website. And so some website builders are easier to get off the ground than others. And there's some processes in your business like connecting a domain or setting up a professional email that are much easier in some systems over other systems. So if you are looking to incorporate more systems that continue to tell, sell, and work for you even when you're not online, then you're definitely going to need a website as part of the systems that you have in place. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 things that are 10 times easier to do inside of Builderall, which is an all-in-one digital marketing platform if you are a beginner to get your business off the ground, specifically when it comes to setting up your personal branded website. So if that is something that interests you, then keep on watching. All right, guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with brandingwithbarbie.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly, truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals. So as I said, there are 4 primary systems that you need to have in place if you want to create a business online that still makes money even when you're off your computer. And the one system that I'm going to be focusing in on today is your website. Your website is a system. It's a system that helps you build authority. It helps show people everything that you have going on. It's unlike a funnel, where a funnel is just one little focused thing. You know, if someone goes down a funnel, you know, and they don't even realize you have a website, they could be missing out on the fact that you also do coaching, or you also sell digital products, or you also have a really cool blog where you share a lot of cool information. So it's kind of like your home base on the internet. I like to call it my brand central station. So choosing the right platform that is going to help create that foundation for your business is what I want to share with you today. So I've been using Builderall for, it's going on 6 years now, since 2018. And you'll be super happy to know that there are 5 things that are much easier to do inside of Builderall than in other platforms. So make sure to stay to the end, because number 5 is not what you think, but I had to include it in there because if you're anything like me, this one is really going to perk your ears up. So with that being said, number 1, connecting a domain. Oh my gosh, some platforms make connecting a domain to a website or to a funnel so incredibly difficult because Builderall owns its servers. They're not using a third-party hosting service like AWS, which is Amazon, or some other hosting service. They actually own their servers. So it's so much easier to connect a domain to a website or a funnel inside of Builderall's system. Number 2, set up your professional branded email. What is your professional branded email? So instead of yourname@gmail.com, it would be yourname@yourname.com. That instantly gives you more credibility because people are going to perceive you as, oh, this person is serious about your business, and Builderall makes it super duper simple. Again, what makes Builderall different from all the other platforms out there is that they own their servers. So the stuff that you have to do on the front end to get your business off the ground is all done in-house inside of Builderall's system. So there is a connectivity that makes things so simple that you can do it inside of Builderall super easily. I cover this inside of my Web Builders Bootcamp, so make sure to click on the link in the pinned comment if you want to check that out. I show you how to create your professional branded email inside of Builderall in just a few little clicks. It's so easy to do. Other platforms require you to go to the domain registrar, change out CNAME records, and it's way more technical. So if you don't want to go through the technical headaches of having to do that, Builderall makes it super duper simple inside of their system. Number 3, Builderall allows you to be super duper flexible with your website design. Now, if you go right now, I change my website pretty frequently because I am a marketer and I'm testing different things. But right now I have a completely different look on my mobile site than I do on my desktop site because Builderall gives you the flexibility to hide panels or display panels inside of your website so that if you want a completely different version for your mobile site than your desktop site, you have that flexibility of design inside of their system. Now, some people love that. Other people hate it. But if you are a super picky person, you know what you like, you're creative, and maybe you want that flexibility for the mobile, or you want to be able to test different things without actually having to delete them, Builderall makes it super duper easy to hide something rather than to delete it, or you have to, just save it as a favorite block, which a lot of platforms allow you to do. But Builderall makes it so simple because all you have to do is click on an eyeball and hide that panel or that box or whatever it is you want to hide it. But just by clicking a little eyeball, you can bring it right back in. It's so simple to do. So Builderall gives you that flexibility of design that other platforms I feel kind of lack. Number 4. And this might not sound like a big deal to other people, but you go try putting a social proof bubble element inside of your website. What is a social proof bubble? It is a little cool tool that lives mostly in the left-hand bottom corner of a website that is designed to create social proof, and it helps to boost lead conversion. So if someone sees a pop-up proof and it's on an opt-in form and the pop-up will say, hey, this person just downloaded the free ebook, or this person just signed up for the webinar, you would have to go third party and pay another $30, $40, $50 a month. But that's not just it. The integration part is the headache. Having to integrate that into your website is a freaking headache. It's a nightmare. So you would have to hire someone out because it's kind of technical, and I am pretty techie, and it's still a headache for me to do. So that's one thing I love about Builderall. They already have a social proof bubble that is easily integrated into any website because it is a tool inside of their system, which I love to have on my websites as a way to increase that social proof factor that generally leads to lead conversion or more conversions. So I love that. It's so easy to do. So yeah. And then finally, number 5. If you're here to create a recurring income online, whether you're an affiliate marketer or network marketing, chances are you are here because you want to create that recurring passive income. And Builderall has an incredible affiliate program that pays on not just 1, but 2 levels. And so that ability to earn on the 2-tier system is not available to everyone. If you try to go sign up for their affiliate program straight off their site, you're not going to be able to earn from the 2-tier affiliate program. However, if you do sign up and activate your Builderall account with an active associate, then you would be able to participate inside of the 2-tier recurring income program. And that is super duper powerful. That is how I have been able to create more time freedom in my life as a mom and wife. That's because I was able to create that recurring income that helps me be present at home. And so if you are already using tools, if you're already building a team, if you're already focused on creating recurring income and people need these systems to build their businesses online, well, it just makes sense to become an affiliate or an associate inside of Builderall's 2-tier recurring income program, so that if you want to share it with others, then you would get paid on a recurring basis. And let me tell you, there's nothing like the power of recurring income to create more time freedom in your life. And so if you do not have any in your life, I highly encourage you to get you some. But all this sounds great and it's really easy to do, but you're still going to need that step-by-step training to help you fast track your progress through the Builderall system. And for that reason, I have created a bootcamp called the Web Builders Bootcamp that you can sign up for. And I will take you through step by step on how to learn how the builder works, how to set up your domain, how to set up your professional brand and email. And I even include a 1-page website for you to practice with that'll help you get off the ground and running. So if you want to learn more about my Web Builders Bootcamp, whether you haven't signed up for Builderall yet, or you're already an existing user who wants to brush up your skills, then I highly encourage you to go to webbuildersbootcamp.com/Builderall and check it out. All right, guys and gals, well, hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with brandingwithbarbie.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will have another video here for you to watch if you have more time. So make sure to click on one of those videos. And until then, I will see you on another video. Bye.